Hi, it's Tyler Real Estate Guy here with a video to answer the question, should you build a home or buy an existing home? If this is your first time seeing me, you'll want to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date on the latest real estate tips and trends. This video will focus on why you will want to build a home instead of buying an existing home. Over the last 14 years, as a new home construction specialist, I've personally guided hundreds of people through the process of building a home. I feel so strongly that building is better than buying existing that I decided to focus my career on new home construction and helping you, the consumer, understand home builders and the new home construction process. That's why I've made like a gazillion videos. So let's get started. In most locations where I've sold homes, the price to build is almost the same as the price to buy existing. So how does one make sense of it all? You just have to break it down. Spend a few hours or days researching, or you can just watch a video like this where someone who has years of experience comparing new versus used homes breaks it down for you. So let's start with the advantages to buying a used or existing home. There are several things that make buying an existing home tempting. These are things like living in an established neighborhood with mature trees. Also, most existing homes come fully landscaped and often fenced as well. Then, of course, a lot of people actually enjoy DIY projects, and you can't save a lot of money repairing and replacing things on your own. And this is a great way to build equity, but it can take up a lot of your free time that you could be spending with friends and family. When you buy an existing home, you'll also deal directly with the homeowner or the realtor when submitting an offer. It can feel more personal than buying from a builder who, you'll most likely never meet. One of the biggest complaints I hear when people are building a home is that they just feel like a number. So with an existing home, you can close on the home and get the keys in approximately 30 to 45 days. Whereas building a home can take 8 months, sometimes more, though many home builders build quick move-in homes, so if you need something fast, you may be able to find a brand new home that's ready right now. Another complaint about new home construction is homeowners associations, aka HOAs. Many new home communities have an HOA. Often, that extra monthly fee can be annoying, especially when you don't really see the benefit like a swimming pool or parks. Often, neighborhoods that have been around for a while don't have an HOA, so you're not going to be giving up that additional money each month, and you don't have to worry about all the restrictions that come with living in an HOA community. Usually, newer home communities are a little further from the city, so when you buy an existing home, you'll be closer to work, friends, family, shopping, and etc. This translates to less time on the road and more time at home, and it's hard to put a price on that. So, what are the advantages to building? The first thing that comes to mind is that you don't have to wonder where someone's pet has peed or stepping on someone's nasty toenail. You also don't have to worry about termites, asbestos, mold, meth, and other potential hazards. New homes can be very energy efficient. Many homes these days are built with thicker exterior walls, which means more insulation. Other money-saving features in new homes are things like low E-glass windows and water-saving fixtures and toilets. Your brand new home will also be built to stricter building codes and the newest construction practices, which translates to better quality of construction, better home designs, and of course, safety features. A new home is also going to have low to no maintenance. Everything is brand new, and many things come with a warranty, so even if it does break, it will be repaired or replaced for free. With a new home, you can also run low voltage throughout the house for Wi-Fi, surround sound, and all other tech that is important to you. This will ensure you have great internet connections to your computers, TVs, gaming systems, phones, security systems, and whatever else comes next. And as we all know, automated homes are the wave of the future. Often, newer homes are built in master planned communities, which give you more amenities than the older neighborhoods. These are things like parks, jogging trails, swimming pools, clubhouses, playgrounds, ponds, and even small lakes in some areas. Also, newer neighborhoods usually mean newer schools, churches, stores, restaurants, and more. It's important to remember that a master planned community usually does come with an HOA. With all of these advantages, buying a new home seems to be a no-brainer, but I haven't even mentioned the best part. First off, there are many different home builders and floor plans to choose from, so you can easily find something that fits your lifestyle. You also get to choose your home site. Do you want a small home site or a huge one? It's your call, but just remember there will be a lot premium on the larger home sites. You can also choose a home site that allows your house to face a specific direction, if that's important to you. And my favorite part, you get to select your own options and upgrades. This means you can personalize your house. It's pretty amazing to move into a home where you selected all of the colors and options. If you're not sure what options give you the best value, or you have a limited budget, be sure to check out my video that covers the best and worst upgrades to add to your home. I will put a link to this below. The last benefit to building a new home actually has nothing to do with the home. An exciting bonus is that you're moving into a brand new neighborhood where most people are new to the area and most people don't know anybody, so it's easy to make friends for yourself and for your family. When you add up all of these advantages, you'll understand why people get better resale value from a newer home in a newer area. One last piece of advice before you write a contract and give the builder your earnest money, you should talk with others who have built with that particular home builder. Park your car and go for a walk. People love to talk about their home building experience, good or bad. To recap, when you buy an existing home, there's a whole lot more for you to think about, and really you should do your research on that home before your due diligence deadline. Study carefully what items in the existing home are going to need to be repaired or replaced. A home inspector can help you with that, and yes, I always recommend a home inspection on existing homes. In almost every situation, when buying a used home, there will be items that need to be replaced, and you could easily spend $10,000 to $15,000 in repair and replacement costs within the first few years of living in that older home. If you're planning to remodel a used home, you could easily spend $20,000 to $50,000. When we purchased our condo in Hawaii, we spent over $40,000 so we could use it as a vacation rental and for ourselves. I meet hundreds of people each year looking to build a home. The most common mistake people make, whether they're young or old, is that they confuse the price of the home with the cost of the home. The price to build a home can be higher than what you pay for an existing home, but the cost to build is less. Let me explain. The price is what you pay for the home initially, and the cost is what you spend each month for that home. This includes things like your monthly utility bills and the cost to repair and replace things. Utilities can easily be 2 times higher on an older home than what you'll pay on a new home of the same size. Well, hopefully this video has given you some clarity, and hopefully I didn't leave anything important out. If I did, please leave a comment below. Really, I would love to hear from you. For more great new home construction videos, please hit the subscribe button below. Also, you can find me at Instagram at Ty the Real Estate Guy. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you know someone that's looking to build or buy a home, please share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and once again, please hit that little red subscribe button below. It'll make you feel good.